Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved use Audi A5 Sportback Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. Now, this particular example is finished in the optional Glacier white metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that eye-catching appearance. As well, you get a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Looking at the external key features now, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the front bumper and rear diffuser, as well as this, you do get the gloss black accents, such as the boot lip spoiler, window surround and black mirror housing. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down from this now, we find the Black Edition specific 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon design alloys, and they do really stand out against that lovely metallic white paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and protects those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A5 Sportback, where there is up to 476 litres of boot capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a smaller carry-on case as well. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a half leather interior with the additional Dynamica in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row. In this vehicle, you can easily accommodate 3 occupants in the back with ample leg space available. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you get these two-tone leather seats with the Audi Sports logo in the centre and the additional white stitching. Above now, we find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, you can access your navigation, telephone connectivity, radio station and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation and does also allow access to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the optional 360 surround view, which does make this A5 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A5 Sportback Black Edition. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.